Yes, welcome again to the analysis of this channel. Ladies and gentlemen, according to my opinion, there's something that IEBC is lacking when it comes to their affidavits. The main issue that they're bringing on board as far as response to the petition of Raila Odinga's Azimio in the Supreme Court, I want to say it sincerely. There are several things that it has been omitted when it comes to the affidavits of IEBC. And I was wondering and I was surprised because the same Wafula Chebukati and their IEBC brigade, they are saying that William Samoei Ruto won elections free and fair, and there's no point that there was rigging of elections, that as far as they are concerned, everything was done well in accordance to the law. Then I have prepared 5 questions that I want to put across, and as I will be elaborating them one by one, I'm requesting you with a humble heart, please do me a favor, just stay and relax so that we can elaborate these 5 points. Otherwise, if you're a visitor and you have not subscribed to this channel, I want to request you with a humble heart, please do me a favor, ensure that you subscribe to this channel. And also don't forget to put on that notification bell, that when I upload my videos you get notified automatically by YouTube. Now, welcome to this video. Now, number 1 is this issue of uploading Form 34A in the IEBC portal. Before this was done, Wafula Chebukati came out the other time before election was conducted, and he promised Kenyans that the elections process that was to be followed according to the Constitution and the requirement by the Supreme Court in 2017, that this Form 34A to be available in the public domain. They did it so, but there is a question that I'm going to ask, and I think George Njoroge asked this question, and also this catch my attention when it comes to what we require to do and to know when it comes to this uploading of Form 34A. Now, when this Form 34A was being uploaded to the IEBC portal, this Form 34A was in a form of a photo, yes? And when it was taken as a photo, uploaded in the IEBC portal, I think, according to my opinion, this Form 34A in the form of JPEG could have been appeared in the IEBC portal in JPEG form, because I don't see in any way if that document, Form 34A, the way it was uploaded in the IEBC portal in the form of JPEG, at a certain point this JPEG was turning to be PDF. For those who do not understand the difference between JPEG and PDF, is that JPEG is a raw document, an original document. For example, like this, yes? When you have a photo, yes, when you have a photo, then you upload to the IEBC portal. What should be received by IEBC is that they must receive this JPEG document. And if JPEG has been processed or maybe edited, or maybe there's certain changes that has been made, it means the result will come out, it is PDF. So it means that JPEG processed and edited and certain things have been changed, you will have PDF. So I think when it comes to Wafula Chebukati, there are certain documents that he has taken to court that is like evidence that this Form 34A was the way they were uploaded is the way they tallied those results. But in real sense, when you look at those forms, that certain that were was JPEG and others were PDF. So the question that we ask ourselves, in which point did this JPEG document, Form 34A, was changed to PDF, Form 34A? That is the confusion, because if they edited JPEG, it means they interfered with the result in that form. Then Wafula Chebukati did not come out to answer certain issue when it comes to the verification of Form 34A, Form 34B, and how they reached at Form 34C. Remember, Form 34A, when it comes to verification, there was a lot of problems and issues. For example, you are having this issue of Gatundu South constituency and Gatanga constituency, where there were certain issues of numbers that was not rhyming and was not actually what was in the Form 34A. They did not come out to answer. So these are the questions that Wafula Chebukati could have been now coming out to answer, but he has not answered. Then number two, Chebukati is not responding to this issue of 3 Venezuelan, yes, citizen, who is being claimed that they hacked the system and the server of IEBC. So I think when it comes to what DCI came up with when it comes to investigations, it has given us a lot of clue when it comes to at a point where these Venezuelans were entering in the country. And the materials that they were found with, these are materials that was questioned when it comes to laptops, when it comes to flash disks, when it comes to stickers, when it comes to a lot of things that was asked and questioned by DCI. But in terms of the answer that you could have received from IEBC, Chebukati did not come out to answer such questions. In fact, they are ignoring such issues. Why is that this Venezuelan came out to hack the servers and also the system of IEBC? Because the materials were found that there were certain crucial materials and also issues, and when it comes to the datas, KIMS kits, all those kind of things that was inside the materials and the devices, Chebukati did not come out to answer those questions. Number three, this issue, why was the tallies were not rhyming? There were a certain point that there were several constituencies that when it comes to the numbers that was tallied was not rhyming, I mean. So for example, when it comes to Juja constituency, total registered voters is 132,000 and above. Then those who voted that day was 86,200 and something there. Then in terms of when you add what Raila Odinga got, what William Ruto got, what Mwaure and Wajakoya got, was passing and was not rhyming with that total voters casted, that was 86. So it means that there were difference of 8,000 votes. The question that we're asking, where did these 8,000 votes taken to? So that's the question that we want IEBC to answer, but they're not answering. It's just drama up and down. Oh, Tuju came this way, Amos Wako, those. We want facts when it comes to real issues. Why did they not talk about these tallies that were not rhyming? Example of Juja constituency. Now, number four, why did he reach a point of saying that the percentage was 100.01% and not 100%? Because according to me, I think when it comes to total voters casted, was representing 100%. Then when it comes to result that he was to announce was to rhyme with 100%. Why did Wafula Chebukati reach at 100.01%? It means there was certain addition there, which we need an answer, which we have not received an answer till today. The only thing that Wafula Chebukati's IEBC is doing is just to create dramas, go around up and down, right, center. For what we need? We need real things when it comes to what we need when it comes to this petition. So we as Kenyans, we are questioning, why did he reach at a point of saying the result was representing 100.01% and not 100%? Because he has not talked about this issue. The number 5 and last, Chebukati has not addressed the issue of these people who hacked the IEBC servers, and of course the evidence, those who hacked the servers. According to the DCI, the way they will present themselves, these hackers attempt to enter, and some of them changed the results. And in fact, according to the evidence that we are having, is that there were 19 of them, 2 were Kenyans and 17 were foreigners. So these are the reality and affidavits that we need Wafula Chebukati to come out to say that this is our evidence, that the form uploaded from 34A, these are they, and this is how we verify, and it was JPEG and not PDF. According to 3 Venezuelans, they must describe what purpose and why did they having this certain of documents of IEBC and materials. Then why was the tallies was not rhyming? Then why did he reach a point of saying the total result was 100.01% and not 100%? The number 5, Chebukati has not addressed this issue of hackers that access the IEBC servers and system. So ladies and gentlemen, what are your thoughts? Drop your opinion at the comment section. Otherwise, bye bye till we meet on another video.